Hey there, all right, so we're back on the West Michigan TruCedar siding install project and we're ready to trim out a window. Right behind me here we have our front-facing window completely taped on top of the house wrap, and I'm going to show you a couple different options as far as J-channel and utility trim go around the window. To start with, we've already installed a piece of utility trim to the bottom of the window. Okay, so right here in my hands I'm holding a piece of the TruCedar utility trim with a 5/8 inch drop on the front, and as you can see, your siding when trimmed would tuck right into this pocket. Here's the utility trim. Here's a piece of lap siding I've cut. Simply tucks inside there, giving you a nice clean look once the siding is all installed. Now we'll show you that right behind me here on a full piece of siding below the window. All right, now we have a full piece of siding that we've trimmed to go perfectly under the window and tuck into our utility trim, which you see right here. You can see we have another piece of lap siding up to show you what this is going to look like. Now we'll tuck this into the utility trim. This is a two-man job. And as you can see right here, we've got a nice clean look going all the way across the bottom of the window. Going against the side of the window here, on top of the window tape, here's your 3/4 inch J-channel. In this case, we have white. You can see I've already got this tabbed out, and whenever you're trimming around the window with J-channel, you always want to be thinking about how water is going to move around the window. In this case, we're going against the edge here, water comes around. You wouldn't want to push this into anything, so you want your water to go straight down and back out along the siding. So in this case, I'd take my piece of J-channel, bring it up against the window here. My tab will sit at the bottom of the window, and in this case, my tab is going to sit right on top of the utility trim. Water is going to come down this way. We would use tape to bring the water back on top of the siding. Okay, we've taken the utility trim off the bottom of the window to show you another option. J-channel coming down the side of the window with our notch and our flap to direct the water away. We've cut another piece of J-channel perfectly sized to the bottom of the window, and I'm going to bring this inside the tab here of that J-channel. And that would set just like that. We're now going to install this piece of J-channel here, then install our utility trim back inside this J-channel. There we go. And then you can see real nice clean look right here, as well as keeping your siding flush inside the J-channel and laying flat against the wall. That's exactly what utility trim is used for. Keep in mind also, if our cut was further down the piece of siding, we would need to install a furring strip behind that to maintain the shape of the lap siding. All right, and right here I've got a piece of LChannel. This is an extremely versatile piece of the TruCedar steel siding trim components. Now I'm going to bring this over to the wall here and show you a couple different things. As you can see, the wall has been wrapped already. We've brought this around to the side of the trim. The homeowners would like to leave this existing wood trim, which has already been painted, so it's going to save us a lot of time in installing the siding. But in order to get that nice clean look everybody's going after these days, instead of using J-channel here, we're going to bring this L-channel right to the side of the trim, and then our siding is going to come right to the L-channel. L-channel does a couple different things for us. When installed next to existing trim, it's going to cover the house wrap as well as assist with water management and prevent water from getting behind the siding. All right, we've got L-channel installed here next to our existing wood trim, and I have a piece of pre-cut siding so you can see exactly what this is going to look like. A gap about that size will allow for expansion and contraction. L-channel next to existing trim.